Okay, welcome to 10-minute videos, no script, brainstorming, no retakes, and good vibes. Today, we got basic player movement. Let's get to it. I have no idea how I'm gonna make it work. We got this player so far. The code we have so far, that's just metadata. This is all in a quick app. Yeah. Component. Sandbox wrap. It's this guy. Canvas. This guy. We are using paper.js. This guy. Starts out with a canvas. If there's a canvas, set up the canvas. Then draw a player. This draw player takes in a point, radius, offense. If it's defense, whoops, false. That just means it's defense if offense is false. And it draws it a little bit more faded. You might want to change that behavior later. That's sort of future me. For now, we'll keep it bright. It has a simple hover animation. We'll get to that later. Draw player. Point, radius, offense. Extracted from the props, which is typed by this interface. There's a circle created at that point with the radius. Apply matrix is false, so we can do these animations. This enables animations. I don't know why. It's a math thing. If there's offense, if the player is offense, we can draw a little bit brighter. Otherwise, this is faded. We create a player group with just the circle in it so far. Sector is defined as 100. Now we can change this and you'll see what happens. 200. It just makes the sector bigger. I think 100 is a good size for what we're doing. Circle, sector radius, player group are all passed into a sector field draw function. Takes all those, extracts it from the props, which are defined by that interface again. And then there's some trig functions that basically just draw this arc from the start, trace it around, end, and then fills the entire thing in. So it starts at this point, and the point is calculated based on where the center of the circle is. Draws it out to a radius, right, which is defined by, sorry, not that, sector radius. The reason we have a separate radius here is because we are adding to the existing radius of the circle. That's why you have radius plus sector radius, and you add that to the center. These parentheses could be like this, which would make it a little bit more clear about what we're compensating for. And then the angles of cosine and sine for the respective x and y point. The through is the midpoint of the sector. So if we show that stroke, Sorry. Actually, when we did this, we broke it because of order operations. But it does make it more clear. So, yeah. I think I just broke it for real. I'm not sure why that happened. We're just gonna control Z everything. And hopefully this will work. So it's the midpoint of that sector, and the start point is actually goes to the right. I'm sorry, traced it the wrong way at the beginning of the video. We have 4 minutes left. So we want a movable player. Basically, we want when this mouse is down. So we're gonna go over here to events, mouse event, on mouse down. We already have mouse over, I think. Enter. Yeah. So we just need to add another one, which is circle.on mouse down equals. We should console log this. Let's see what happens. And we'll see that we have a mouse event here. Yeah. So essentially what we want to do is while the mouse is down, drag, right? So let's have a let is mouse down equals false, right? Here we can say mouse down is true. And it's let's see what other mouse events are there. On mouse move. On mouse move. Log E. Just when that happens. So it's moving, but our mouse is down. So if is mouse down, it's true. Log E. Now we have move. So we want the E and we want the points. Do these points change? 482, 242. Yes, they do. So E dot point. We define point as E dot point. And then we can constant log x as point.x, y as point.y. Okay. Then we get x and y's. So put that on mouse up, down equals false. We got 1 minute. So then we want the circle dot x dot x equals point of x and dot y equals point dot y. This is probably only going to move the circle, but we want to move the whole group. So where's the group? Group. And you see it's kind of working, but not ideally, right? So yeah, we'll fix that next time. But that's 10 minutes for you. We got this guy.